G to C major. Start with whole notes. G chord to C major. 1 bar of each. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G chord, 2, 3, get up to that C chord. And C chord, 2, 3, back to G. G, 2, up to the C chord. Yeah, and C, 2, 3, back to G. 2, 3, up to C. Good, there's that high E, back to G. 2, 3, 4, C chord, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, C, 2. There, I switched to half notes, you know that. G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2,